How to use smartphone as webcam. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Did you know that you could use your Android as a webcam? Here is a tutorial for it. For that, you would like to require one application on both of your PC as well as your Android. The application is known as Webcam. So if you go to your PC and search for it, you will see Dev47 apps. This application can turn your phone or tablet into webcam for your PC. This will allow you to integrate the chat programs such as Zoom, MS Teams, Skype and whatnot. So once you have installed it on your PC, also make sure to install and download it on your device. You can either connect it through the USB or you could either connect it to the Wi-Fi connection. But make sure that both of your PC and Android has been connected to the same network. Once that is done, you can easily use your smartphone as the webcam. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.